All right, and as you guys can see that I have one bulb out. So grabbing my owner's manual really quickly, I still have mine, you should too. Open it up to the practical hint side, and that's page 370. And as you look kind of down on this page right here, you'll see like a design of the tag light, lens, and housing of the bulb. And here is your bulb size right here. So I got my bulbs from AutoZone. There's the number and the bulb size you're gonna need for the tag lights. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and use, I think this is what it looks like. The bolts look kind of weird, but I think we just go ahead and use a regular, Phillips style screwdriver. I got a little teeny small one. And let's go ahead and bring this down. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me adjust it just a little teeny bit. I'm sorry about the wobble. Okay, then you have a screw here and a screw there. Just like that, so you can access the bulb itself. All right, so you have the gasket's not really sealed that tightly on this one anymore. And it needs to be clean. So I'm gonna take out the bulb and I'm gonna run inside and clean this. Yeah, definitely should probably be gentle with that. But yeah, let me clean this and I'll be back. All right, so I've got mine's all cleaned up as good as I'm gonna get that. I'm not worried about having it too shiny. Put my bulb in, and now you can just press the bulb ends back into here and here. Oh, and make sure that the number, like the part number for this lens is facing towards like the out part of the vehicle. So it kind of be like upside down a little teeny bit. All right. And you put that in, then you can put the screws back in. All right, let's test and make sure I did everything correctly and see if these come on, because this is my first time doing this with this car. How we doing? Let's see. All right, much better. Okay, let's bring it down after I put the other thing back on. Hold on 1 second. All right, with them both on, and let's bring it on down. See what the tag lights look like. All right, now, so up next, what you're gonna do is just do a reset to the system. Sometimes it will recognize right away, and sometimes the codes are kind of stuck in there, and I don't have a way to erase them. But the best way is to come here to the battery and just take off the terminal for like a minute or two, which is pretty easy to do. But I just do my 10 millimeter. Come on here now. Just take your 10 millimeter, loosen it up and take it off for about a minute or two, and you should be good. Come back over here to the car, and now that you have done that, just remember the lights will be on and this will be on, because if you take the battery off just for a second or two, this happens. But you clear it up very easily, very simply. Hold on, back out a little bit, all the way here, all the way there, and all the way back, and boom, you're done. You just realign the steering wheel sensors in here, and that's pretty simple. Only takes about 2 seconds. Then you can go through the menu. No malfunctions there, so you're good. And let's go to the back and make sure that is all looking good. It's really cold outside today. Let's see how we are looking in the back. All right, good. Got that all taken care of.